Introducing banana bread in a cup. In a microwave-safe mug, mash the ripe banana with a fork until smooth. Add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt, vegetable oil or melted butter to the mug with the mashed banana. Stir until well combined. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes or until the banana bread is cooked through. The cooking time may vary depending on the wattage of your microwave, so check for doneness after 2 minutes. Let the banana bread cool for a minute before enjoying it straight from the mug. Feel free to add optional mix-ins such as chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or a dash of cinnamon for added flavor. Enjoy your quick and delicious microwave mug banana bread.